Okay, you can see here that I made another one of these pieces. The thing is, I actually changed the plans. This piece is the same size as this, and this is to extend the surface. I had thought of changing the plans and adding a mirror over here to reflect the light, and put the slide here for the light to go through, and put the lens in front of that. But then I realized that I cannot always get a mirror of the same size. The plan was to have the mirror seated here so it can reflect the light. But if I put the mirror here, you will observe that it's actually jutting out. And I would have had to cut a slot on the cover that I was going to place on top of this. I didn't want to do that because I didn't think I would always be using this mirror. So instead, I went back to my original plan of putting the slide here, except a little away from the bulb. The reason why I had changed the plans before was that I was a little hesitant of having the slide so close to the bulb because the bulb was going to get hot. But then I realized that if I put the slide here at this region, there is a reasonable distance from the bulb, and also the fan over here will be providing ventilation over here continuously. Air will be flowing continuously at this region. So I don't have to place the slide too far from the bulb, since the fan will prevent the heat from accumulating inside. While I'm going to put the slide here, I will also be placing the lens over here in such a way that it can be moved forward and backward. Some space is required below the base of the projector to create a sliding system for the lens so that the lens can be moved. At the same time, I have to join these two base pieces together. So I made this. This is two rolls of paper taped together. You can see an older video of mine to learn how I roll paper, the way I have rolled it here. You can see that I have made two of these pieces. I will be attaching them to the base pieces like this. You can clearly see that a gap gets created in the bottom. That gap can be used to create a sliding system for the lens. I plan to make a long stick-like piece that can slide below the projector along a straight line. I plan to cover these rolls with hard paper to make them thicker and harder, so that the rolls can hold the base pieces firmly and so that there is a good amount of space at the bottom.